What's going on, everybody? Kyle Powers here with eXp Realty. First off, thanks so much for checking out this video. I really do appreciate it. Today, we're going to jump right into it. Should you do or should you utilize a QR code for open house feedback or sign-ins or anything of the sort? Short answer I'm going to tell you is yes. If it works, do it. I've been doing open houses for over 7 years, and here's the thing. I've utilized just a straight sign-in sheet. I've used QR codes. I've used an open house app. I've used a lot of that stuff. Do what works, okay? You don't have to do this whole elaborate thing and go through do this QR for this, do this sign-in for this, do this for this. No, do what works. Do what works for your market, because what works in my market may not work in yours. So if a QR code works to give feedback, great, do it. I always use a in-person one because I could sit and have an actual conversation with them. With the QR, yes, you do get the contact info and you get a lot of that stuff, so I think there is a spot for that. And maybe that's all it is too, where you just do a quick sign-in. Maybe use the QR code for a sign-in sheet, not necessarily the feedback. However, I also want to be able to tangibly give the seller something so that they see that how many people came in, how much feedback they were able to get. But you could also email that stuff too. So could you use a QR code? Absolutely, do it. But I don't want you to be married to that only one idea as far as that goes, because there's so much more that you could really get into and really dive deep into that piece of it. So thank you for checking out this one. This is your quick tip of the day.